Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of this Artis BT08 Bluetooth speaker. So without a further ado, let's get started with this video. So on opening the box, you get the Bluetooth speaker itself, a micro USB to USB charging cable, and a user manual. So coming to the speaker itself, on the top you get the speaker mesh. At the bottom you get the on off button, the next button, the previous button, the play and pause button, and the button to accept or reject calls. It also has a microphone, so you can also accept and reject calls by using this speaker, which is really a good thing, I would say. So guys, this is just an audio sample to make you know how this speaker performs. As you can see, the audio playback of the speaker is really good. It is really worth the money which you are paying for, which is nearly 500 rupees. The vocals are really crisp and clear, and there is also a good amount of bass. If you want to buy this speaker, I'm giving a direct link in the description below from where you can buy it. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.